How to create a new AI image with Saree on Gemini. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily create a new viral trend where you can easily create a new AI picture of a Saree using Gemini's new feature called Nano Banana. So first thing you have to do is have the Gemini application installed on your device. Go over to your Play Store and then tap on the search bar at the bottom and then go ahead and simply search for Gemini. Hit enter and you'll find an option to install the application. I've already installed it, so I have this open button. I'll just tap on it and it's going to take me directly over to this. Now what you need to do is tap on create image and then you're going to have to describe your image here. So first thing you can do is simply add your image if you have any reference. So tap on the plus icon right beside the describe. Now from here, select your gallery or file, wherever you have your picture. I'll just select it from my gallery. Now once you have uploaded your image, what you need to do is go over to Google Chrome. And then here you need to search for Gemini Nano Banana Saree prompts and hit enter. Now click on the first link that you see here. You'll find different prompts right over here. So what I'm going to do is just scroll down here and find these prompts. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and go with this chiffon saree. I'll just copy this, long press on it, and then I'm just going to copy this entire text. Copy, go back to your Nano Banana, paste this, and wait for a bit. Tap on send, and then it's going to process your image and create your image for you. So I'll just wait for a bit for it to generate the image. Here I found another website for these kind of prompts, so I'll just go ahead and copy one of them. So I'll just tap on this first one, tap on copy, go back to Gemini, and then you can paste it here one more time. I'll just paste it, again upload your image, and then just tap on send. Now, as you can see here, Gemini has created the image according to our description, and it has kept some of the facial feature pretty much the same. Now you can just tap on the image, and if you want to download it, you'll find it at the top right corner, the download button, or if you just want to share it with others, you could tap on that. And that's basically it. That's how you can basically create a viral Saree trend on Gemini using Nano Banana. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.